あまりにうるさかったので、耳を塞いだ。あまりに。
So much that, to, used to express an excessive or unexpected amount.
考えれば考えるほど、この案は気に入った。ば、ほど。
The more, the more. Indicates a proportional relationship between two actions or conditions.
これには、私ばかりでなく、他の多くの人も不思議に思った。ばかりでなく、
Not only, but also as well as. Emphasizes inclusivity, stating that something applies not only to one aspect, but others.
彼は自分のことは何も言おうとしない。言おうとしない。
Not try to, not make an effort to. Indicates a lack of intention or effort to do something.
達也を気の毒に思わずにはいられなかったのだ。図にはいられない。
Can't help but feel, can't help but do, expresses an irresistible urge or feeling, often used when someone can't avoid doing something.
このように思案した結果、第4の計画に従おうと決断した。た結果。の結果。
As a result of, connects a cause and effect relationship, indicating the outcome of a preceding action.
窓を開けた途端、強い風が入ってきた。た途端。
Just, now at the moment, as soon as. Describes an immediate or sudden occurrence, typically following a specific event.
僕が名前を呼んで初めて、棚田は僕に気がついた。で初めて。
Not until, only after, did I, indicates that a realization or understanding occurs only after a certain event or action.
中に入って調べてもらっても構いません。ても構わない。
It doesn't matter if expresses a lack of objection or concern regarding a particular action or decision.
あなたは駅へ行く途中なんでしょうね。途中に。途中で。
On the way, in the middle of, describes an action or event occurring during the course of another ongoing action.